For the past 8 weeks, we have been building wealth inside the stock market. VU, VTI, SCHD, Roth IRA, 401k, the investment order. And that system works. Over the long term, it is the most reliable path to financial freedom ever created. But I want to talk to you about something different today. Because the truth is, waiting 20 or 30 years for your portfolio to compound is not a complete plan. You need income now, real money arriving this month, next month, the month after that. And there are income streams that don't require a market to go up. Don't require luck, don't require you to quit your job. They just require you to build something once, and collect from it for years. Today I'm going to show you 5 of them. Before I start, I want to be clear about something. I am not talking about dropshipping gurus. I am not talking about crypto. I am not talking about anyone who promises you a 6-figure income in 30 days. I am talking about real, boring, proven income streams, the kind that professional investors and financially independent people have been using quietly for decades. Most of them take time to build. None of them are instant. But all of them are real. Income stream number 1, digital products. This is the highest margin business model that has ever existed. You create something once, an ebook, a template, a spreadsheet, a guide, a course, and you sell it thousands of times without producing it again. No inventory, no shipping, no employees. The work is in the creation. Once it exists, it sells while you sleep. A financial spreadsheet that helps people track their investments. A beginner's guide to ETF investing. A Roth IRA setup checklist. These are products people are actively searching for right now. Products that match exactly what this channel teaches. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip let you sell digital products with zero upfront cost. You price it at $9 to $49. You sell 100 copies. That is $900 to $4.900 from something you built once. Income stream number 2, dividend income from SCHD. You already know this one, but I want to reframe it. Most people think of dividends as a retirement strategy, something you build toward over decades. And yes, the numbers get enormous over time. But even starting small, dividends create a psychological shift that changes how you think about money. When SCHD pays you $47 in your first quarter, that $47 didn't require a single hour of your time. You didn't trade anything for it. No labor, no effort, no boss. That feeling is addictive in the best possible way. And it scales. Every month you add to your SCHD position. That quarterly payment grows. Start with $50 a month. In 3 years, you'll be receiving a check every quarter. Small, yes, but real, and growing. Income stream number 3, high-yield savings and money market accounts. This is the most overlooked passive income stream in America right now. Most Americans keep their emergency fund in a regular savings account earning 0.01% interest. That is essentially nothing. But high-yield savings accounts, available at Marcus, Ally, or Fidelity, are currently paying around 4 to 5% annually. On $10, that is $400 to $500 per year. Completely passive, zero risk, FDIC insured. Your emergency fund should be working for you. If it isn't, you are leaving hundreds of dollars on the table every single year for no reason. Move your emergency fund to a high-yield account this week. It takes 20 minutes. It costs nothing, and it pays you every month just for having money you were already keeping safe. Income stream number 4, licensing your knowledge. Every person reading this has skills, experience, or knowledge that other people would pay to learn. You don't need to be famous. You don't need a massive audience. You need one specific thing you know how to do, and a way to teach it. Platforms like Skillshare and Udemy pay instructors every month based on the minutes students watch their courses. You build the course once. You collect royalties for years. A course on how to set up a Roth IRA, how to build a 3-fund portfolio, how to automate your investments. All of these are topics people are actively searching for and willing to pay for. The barrier to entry is lower than it has ever been. A phone camera, a quiet room, and knowledge you already have. Income stream number 5, content creation, specifically, building an audience around what you already know. This channel is an example. Every video you watch is part of a financial education system. When this channel reaches 1.000 subscribers and 4.000 watch hours, YouTube begins paying for every view. Companies begin paying for sponsorships. Digital products sold to an engaged audience convert at 5 to 10 times the rate of cold traffic. The channel itself becomes the distribution system for every other income stream. Content creation takes time. It is not fast, but the compounding effect of an audience is identical to the compounding effect of an investment portfolio. Early contributions feel small. The growth accelerates. The income becomes significant. And it starts, exactly like everything else we've discussed, with the decision to begin. Here is what I want you to take away from today. The most dangerous financial plan is one that depends entirely on one source of income. Your job can disappear. Your portfolio can drop. Any single stream can dry up. The wealthy don't have one income stream. They have 5, 10. They build them slowly, over years, until the combined flow makes any single disruption irrelevant. You now have the full picture. Invest in ETFs inside your Roth IRA and 401k. Let SCHD pay you dividends. Move your savings to a high-yield account. Build one digital product. Start one creative project. 5 streams, built over time, none of them complicated, all of them real. Subscribe because we are going deeper next week. I'm going to show you how to track all of this. Your investments, your passive income, your net worth, in one simple system that takes 10 minutes a month to maintain. The goal is financial freedom. We are closer than you think.